Welcome back to another video, guys. There's no actual car unlock today because we have some exciting news. We're approaching 50,000 subscribers, so we're going to be announcing our giveaway. Let's roll the clip. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the roof of St. Catharines Nissan to announce our road to 50K 5K giveaway. We're approaching 50,000 subscribers, and to thank everybody who's subscribed so far, I've partnered with St. Catharines Nissan, the #1 Nissan dealership in Ontario, and we are going to be giving away 5,000 Canadian dollars. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is click the link below. There's a few ways to enter. You can subscribe to the Cars Unlocked YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at CVanWeekend. Follow St. Catharines Nissan on Instagram. Follow my TikTok. Like this video. There's so many different ways for you to enter the contest, and you can enter multiple times. So enter the contest. Help us get to 50,000 subscribers. We're trying to grow the channel and help you guys get some money at the same time. We're doing 5 grand prizes of $1,000, so 5 different winners will be crowned once we hit 50K. You got to be able to either accept e-transfer, accept our check in the mail, or come pick it up personally to get your winnings. So subscribe, click the link, follow the channel, and stay tuned. If you're announced the winner, we're going to announce it on our 50K celebration video. Don't forget to check out St. Catharines Nissan for all your Nissan vehicle information. Anyone here will be happy to help you. We'll see you there. So enter to win our 50K 5K giveaway.